In case you haven't heard, Microsoft will be officially ending support for Windows 7 this January. This shouldn't come as a surprise, as this aging software has been around over 10 years and, as you are already likely experiencing, is becoming slower and more difficult to use when compared to more modern operating systems. So why upgrade? As with older operating systems like Windows 95, 98, 2000, and Vista, once Microsoft ends support, other software and hardware companies follow in short order. This means that products such as antivirus software will no longer work on your computer, and when you go to buy a new printer, it won't support your retired operating system. Online searches will soon become more frustrating, and secure transactions such as online shopping and banking will become more difficult and eventually cease to function altogether. Finally, from a security standpoint, without regular updates, Windows 7 will become more and more prone to viruses and spyware and eventually impossible to use online safely. So what are your options? If you are still running Windows 7, you have a couple of excellent options. If your computer will support the upgrade, Microsoft is offering a free upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 10. At Buckner Computer Service, we run these updates weekly, if not daily, for customers with hardware new enough to support Windows 10. As part of our service, we then help our customers to understand the basics of using Windows 10. Alternately, if your system is too old to support Windows 10, you can get a new or an off-lease computer that will not only be much faster, but will already be running Microsoft's newest operating system. And at Buckner Computer Service, we are here to help you through the process of setting up your new or off-lease computer and transferring your data. For more information on how you can get your computer upgraded or replaced, feel free to call or text 479-855-7671. Locally owned and operated for over 15 years, Buckner Computer Service.